Hello, today I'm going to show you how to convert text into speech using a Python library which is available in the Python packages respiratory. I'm going to use gTTS in short form of Google Text to Speech library. As you can see here, this library is a Python library and a control line interface to interface with Google Translate Text to Speech API. They convert the input text into MP3 data file. Okay, what I'm going to do, I've already made a folder here. I'm going to open my terminal here and see how it's done. So I'm going to open my terminal. Okay, what we are going to do, we are first, okay, if we have not created a virtual environment, we are going to use Python, sorry, we are going to create virtual environment, but in my case, I already created my virtual environment. As you can see here, this TTS, it is my virtual environment where I'm going to install the required packages. So in short, for you, how to create Python virtual environment, it is simple. We're going to just write this command on your terminal, Python 3. In my case, I'm using Python 3.9. Python -m, then VNV, that is virtual environment, and the name which you are going to call your virtual environment. Let's say maybe hello world, and you click enter. In my case, I've already created my virtual environment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to activate my virtual environment. So source TTS bin activate, and I'm already in my virtual environment. So the next thing we are going to do, or you are supposed to do, is to pip or install that package, Python package. In my case, I've already installed it, but for simplicity, let me show you how you are going to install it. As you can see here, installation is simple. You just pip install gTTS with the double T's and S and in capital letters. So what are you going to do? Pip install gTTS and hit enter. Okay, in my case, I've already installed it. So you can see requirement already satisfied. So let's clear the terminal. So what the next thing, as you can see here in this folder where my virtual environment is, we are going to create a Python file here. Let's put it on this side. Yeah, let's do it like this. Clear. So we say I'm going to create a file here. So nano text audio .py. So we are going to first the first thing, import the package. In my case, I'm going to import the Python packages that I've already installed. From gTTS, import gTTS class. So what next from there? The text we are going to output, which should be text, will be, we call our class where we are going to put the arguments, or the arguments required, gTTS. So the first of all, where we are going to input here is our text, or else let's say we can just say text, a string, which should be hello world. Subscribe to my channel. That is our text. So from there, what we are going to do, we are going to initialize our gTTS class. In this case, we are going to say output equals to, we call our class gTTS, then we feed in our text here, then language short form 1 will be English, and we close. So the next thing will be audio, which will be, just call it output dot save, and we give it a name. We are going to say, for example, hello dot mp3. We close it. Then we save our file, you write, exit the terminal, and we run our Python file. So here is our Python file. So when we run this code, you will see an audio here. So let's just do like that. Python 3. We run our file. So when I press the enter button, you will just see after a few minutes an audio file here. Enter. Yeah, you can see here is our file converted. We have converted our text into an audio file. We can play it and hear what
hello world, subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, it is as simple as that. Thank you guys, see you next time. Make sure that you subscribe